want this kind of sound? So if yes, so this video is especially for you. While you are inserting any device, so the sound will be like in this way. If you will disconnect the file, the device, then the sound will be in different way. So let's do it. So first we will go to the Chrome browser, and here we will search for the My Instant. My Instant is a website that offers multiple voices that you can download for your videos, right? So I'm just going to here search for the wow, and here is the first option is of the anime wow. I'm just going to download this sound in my computer system. So I will download here as mp3 file. Then we will go to the new tab and we search here for the cloud convert. Cloud convert will help us to just convert the file from mp3 to wave format, because in system sound we will able to use only that file. So here we will search and select the file which we have to just convert in the waveform. So I'm just going to select the file anime wow sound effect, and now we will select for the wave, right? We will convert it, then download the file. So as you can see that I'm just going to download the file. The file has been downloaded. Now we will search in the computer system for the change system sound. In change system sound, I'm just going to here search. So we will be able to see that here's the option of change system sound. I'm just going to click here. So we will search here for the device connect option. So in device connect, we will select, then we will browse here the file, and we will select the file wave format, which is the anime wow. We will apply, then okay. Now we'll check that it is really working or not. So I'm just going to insert the file device. So now the sound is coming in this way, and while I am just going to disconnect the device, then the sound will be like this way. So if you want to change the sound while you are disconnecting the device, so you can use the same method to do that. So if you really loved this video, so please do thumbs up and do your valuable comment. I hope you really loved this video. Thank you. Have a great day.